Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mendiants using an easy method. First, select a good quality chocolate, ideally with at least 60% cocoa content, for the best flavor and texture. Gently melt your chocolate using a double boiler or in the microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval. This ensures a smooth, glossy finish without burning. For a professional look and snap, tempering your chocolate is highly recommended. This process prevents dullness and gives your mendiants a beautiful shine. Heat your melted chocolate to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, gently reheat it to between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit for the perfect working temperature. Now for the fun part, assembling your mendiants. Spoon small, even circles of the tempered chocolate onto parchment paper or a silicone mat. Aim for circles about 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter. Work quickly, as the chocolate will begin to set. Immediately decorate each chocolate circle with your chosen toppings, pressing them gently into the still wet chocolate. Once decorated, let your mendiants set completely at room temperature. This usually takes about 30 minutes, depending on your environment. Once firm, carefully peel them off the parchment paper. Store your beautiful mendiants in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.